Hello everybody, this is Ray with Fern Foundation Farms, and this is our project. So this was empty barn. We ended up adding these pens here, and what we're doing is we're putting wood chips inside these pens, and we're creating compost with the pig manure and the wood chips. And so we built these pens here. We added the water systems there as well, which you can see here, and then the feeders as well as part of the project. And then here's one of our pens here. We're not breeding, but we are raising some pigs here, and you can see the wood chips in here. These pigs will be butchered end of February, beginning of March, and we have these in here to grow out. So here's an automatic feeder. This feeder here helps us to not waste the feed. So by pouring the feed on the ground and the wood chips, we'll lose it. So this was a good add-on to be more efficient. So we're thankful for that. So here's a highway. On this side we have some new breeds. So this year we reset our genetics, and we have some red wattles. Supposed to have some good marbling, good flavor in the meat. And here's some babies. So these babies we will be raising out, and these will be ready to butcher, I would say in June time frame. So we have these here, and then these here. You can see the babies here. So very good quality meat. We don't just raise show pigs, we raise meat pigs. And then obviously you can see all the wood chips inside here. Also, we'll cut weeds around here, tumbleweeds. They'll eat tumbleweeds as well. So our farmhand will bring in tumbleweeds and just weeds and throw them in here. Anything from our greenhouse that needs to be used up as well. Here we have 6 breeders. Well, you can see again wood chips, and we have 6 breeders that we're breeding. That red pig over there, he's the male, and we're breeding him to the other 5 females here. And again, on wood chips. Here we have 2 males. They're on wood chips, and again, they're using for breeding. So we don't do artificial insemination. Everything we do here is natural, and all of our pig breeds are meat quality pigs, not show pig quality. And on this side, this is a project that we're doing for right now, since we're in the winter, not the spring. So what we're doing is we put wood chips here, and then we're raising cattle here. And what we're gonna do is we are going to let the cow manure stack up on top of the wood chips, collect all that manure, and get, eventually we'll come in here and put bags of corn on top of the ground, and then we'll put a set of pigs in here and let them rototill it, so that way they can aerate it and fluff it up, and then we can get a combination manure. Sorry about that, the dog's going crazy. Got her tied up, let her loose at night. And on this side, same thing. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 pens that we've done with our grant, and we've put at least about 2 feet of wood chips in here. So the gates are designed so you can open either side. So this gate can open inward, so we can manage our pigs in any direction. And so the gates will open wide enough to hit the opposite side, so that we can manage both sides. So here's a new breed of pig. It's a Japanese Maishan pig, and we're going to use these. We're going to try to do some charcuterie with crossbreed between these red pigs and these Maishans. But anyways, you can see some new wood chips in here. So then what we do with the wood chips, so the pigs will urinate and poop on the wood chips, and what we do is we spray once a week microorganisms. So IMO, indigenous microorganisms, which is just natural organisms that live in the soil. We spray it on top, and what that does is that those microorganisms go into the ground, begin to eat the manure and the urine, and they turn it back into compost, heats it up, and it does that, creates compost for us. So there you have it. This is so far what we've done with our grant money. So far it's a success. We're still working on some of our water system. So we have water hose here for now, kind of just helping out. But so far so good. We have that back section to finish off. What we're gonna do back there is we're going to, looks kind of ghetto right now. My wife says it looks like old Mexico. But what we're gonna do back here is we're gonna breed breeder pens. So we have a couple turkeys right here. So we're gonna set up 8, not breeder, but pens for our females to have babies in. 8 of them across here. And we're gonna raise our females and our breeders out in the pasture. And then right before they give birth, we're gonna bring them in here and let them hang out in a pen, raise their babies for a week or 2. And then maybe put them back out in the field so that they can teach their babies how to eat grasses and dig and all the pig stuff. And so, yeah, look at that. And so, anyways, that's our next plan here. We have a few chickens in here just to help with any types of bugs or parasites or anything like that. Also, the chickens help turn the wood chips. They'll turn it, and you can see some of these spots where they come in and they'll pretty much stir it up. So anyway, we want constant movement and constant nitrogen inside of our wood chips. So one thing that we could do different that we didn't do at the beginning, so we're gonna have to come back. And so here's a negative, right? So you learn as you go. But you see here we put some 2x6s on the ground. And what happens is that the pigs, these doors are supposed to open in or out, but the pigs push the wood chips out, and they push the wood chips into this walkway here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some more of those boards right there, and we're gonna maybe get some 10-inch or 12-inch, dig down, and then slide them in there, so that way the wood chips can stay in there, and we're able to open the doors all the time without having to dig wood chips out of the way. So anyways, lesson learned. Also, the baby pigs will crawl out. So we, like for example here, we had to increase the amount of wood chips so that way they wouldn't climb out. Same with here, not climb out but dig out. Increase the wood chips, get it to that level. But if not, they'll get out. So they're pretty smart. Pigs are. They're really smart. But anyways, here's some more cute pictures of the piglets. All right. We're excited. They look cute now, but they taste really good on your plate. Thank you all. Appreciate it.